Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we have an interesting product to talk about, the COLIKES full-size wired pink keyboard. In this video, we'll go over the features, design, and performance of this keyboard to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Let's start by unboxing the COLIKES full-size wired pink keyboard. Upon opening the package, you'll find the keyboard securely packed. The first thing you'll notice is the vibrant pink color, which gives it a unique and stylish look. It also comes with foldable stands, which is a nice addition for ergonomic typing. The keyboard boasts a slim and modern design with a premium matte finish. It's compact and doesn't take up much space on your desk, making it ideal for smaller workspaces. The keys are low-profile Chiclet keys, providing a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard is spill-resistant with drain holes on the back, adding durability to prevent damage from accidental spills. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its plug-and-play functionality. It works instantly with any USB device, so no need for drivers or worrying about connection interference. This makes it extremely easy to set up and use right out of the box. The low-profile Chiclet keys offer optimized responsiveness and tactile feedback. You can type with confidence, and the shorter keystroke travel is great for extended typing sessions. The keyboard also has reduced click noise, which is perfect if you're in a shared workspace. This keyboard comes with a large number pad, 3 indicator lights, and 12 multimedia shortcuts. These shortcuts enhance your productivity, whether you're working, browsing, or controlling media. The UV-coated letters on the keycaps are anti-wear, ensuring the longevity of the keyboard's design. The COLIKES keyboard is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. It even works with smart TVs. You're covered by an 18-month warranty, and the customer service from COLIKES is excellent. Currently priced at $14.99, this keyboard offers excellent value for money. You're getting a stylish, functional, and durable keyboard at an affordable price. To sum it up, the COLIKES full-size wired pink keyboard is a reliable, stylish, and affordable option for those in need of a new keyboard. Its plug-and-play simplicity, ergonomic design, and additional features make it a solid choice. Whether you're working from home, gaming, or simply need a new keyboard, the COLIKES keyboard deserves your consideration. That's it for today's review of the COLIKES full-size wired pink keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews from UK Pro Reviewer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.